Right now, 95% of people are wasting the most powerful hours of their day while you're sleeping. They're awake while you're scrolling. They're building. And 365 days from now, you'll watch them succeed and lie to yourself with the same old line. Next year, do it. But that next year never comes. Here's the dark truth. The world's top CEOs, elite athletes, and billionaires share a secret weapon. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's EM. Science proves your brain is 45% more effective within the first 50 minutes after waking up. But 99% of people give away this golden window to their blanket. Every time you hit snooze, you're gifting your best energy to your pillow. You're donating your focus to scrolling. You're trading your dreams for 9 minutes of fake comfort. And by the time you finally get out of bed, your competitor has already done 50 reps, closed a deal, and started winning. But today, you change your tomorrow. Set your alarm for not to do more work, but to reclaim the hours that truly belong to you. Drink water. Move your body. Write one clear goal. And protect this time for 21 days like your life depends on it. Because it does. 5 years from now, you'll either be the person who changed everything, or the one who wasted 10,825 sunrises. Your life. Your choice. Start now. And if you're ready to build the best version of yourself, subscribe. We're doing this together.